Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually decorating a cake for my son's birthday. I have already covered the cake. It's a chocolate cake. Then I remember that, oh, I would have loved to take you all along. So I said, okay, let me grab my camera and let's do this. So let's decorate together. And if you want to know how to bake a chocolate cake or how I covered the cake with butter icing, then let me know in the comment section below so I could do something on that. Okay, we're using this to decorate. I don't know if you can see the mouth, but let's get into it.
Thank you.